Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the topic inserting shapes, objects, and the special character. So when we click on the insert tab and there is a illustration group, when you click on the shapes, then what will happen? A lot of shapes will appear in front of you. You can choose the shape according to your need. Suppose you have taken this shape by left click and you can easily draw the shape. Now after drawing the shape, what you have to do, you can be move it from anywhere on the page. You can move, like suppose you want to move here, you can easily move here. The next thing, you if you write anything on the shape, by right click and click on the add text, here you can easily write the what about the thing that you want to write. Here you can easily change the formatting by click on the insert tab, and then you can change the shape as well as the size, and you can change the font face also by like this. Now next thing, if you want to change the color of this rectangle, you can double click on this shape, and what will happen, there is a shape color. The shape color can be chosen according to your need. When you roll over the mouse, you see that beside the changes will be look happens to the shape. Now we will take the another shape by click on the insert tab, then what will happen, click on the shapes, and then we there is a banner. So we have chosen the banner. So this is the banner. This button can increase the writing area, the between area, and this will increase the size. So these are points are used to increase or decrease the sizes. Here, from here you can also increase or decrease the size. Suppose the height you want, take the 4, and here you will write the 10, and then click on enter. Then you have seen the changes in what, in this. So here you can easily change the shape. When you right click on it, you can add the text, you can write the text easily. Now when you click on this for text box style, you can see the shape changes over there. When you change the shape, when we take the shape like this, you can change the shape fill color in the interior of the shape. The shape will be changes like this. So in this way you can fill the color also, and even you can change the shape outline. So here you can change the shape outline over here. So this what you can do with the shapes, and easily you can change the shapes. And now click on the insert tab, then suppose you want double added arrow, you can change the double added arrow. When you double click on it, then you can increase the, here you can increase the height, and here you can increase or decrease the length and width. So here you can change the shape, you can change the color also. In this way you can change the color also. So these all are things. And most important thing, when you change the double click on it, suppose you want change the shadows. So here you can use the this for the adding of the shadow. So here the shadows can be easily given to you. Now the next thing, suppose you want to insert the thing is, suppose you want to use according to your need. Here the shapes are, lot of shapes are there, but you can use according to your need. You can easily write the text here. This is the cylinder. So here you can write the cylinder easily. See, cylinder can be easily written over there. So you can change the shapes like this. You can easily fill the color in it. So these all are things can be done in the MS Word. You can use the what here, shadows can be given. So all the things can be easily done in this way. Now the next thing here is a spelling mistake. You can correct the spelling easily. So these are all things can be done in the MS Word. Next thing, suppose you want to okay, there's a symbols over there. You can use the symbol. Suppose you want to select it, and then see what will happen. Suppose the text is there, the text will be here, and when you click on symbol, then select it, then what will happen, this symbol will be appeared in front of you. If some more symbols can be there, the symbols can be used according to your need, like this. Here the symbols can be easily inserted one by suppose place the cursor over there and click on this and insert. In this way, the more symbols can be there, a lot of symbols can will be there, you can easily use the symbols, can be used according to your need. A lot of symbols are there, so you can use the symbols according to the need. And then next come to the special character. The special characters are there, paragraph is there, sections is there, trademark is there. When you click on it, you can insert it. This thing can be easily insert here. So have you seen, this is the TM. You can easily increase the size also. Yes, copyright. So you can insert it. So these all are the special character. Here's come from the symbol and a special character, both are present in this symbol option. Here you can easily find it. Now the next thing we are going to, just I am going to revise you what about the inserting the object. Inserting the object, when you click on the insert and there is a object option, I am just revising you that you can easily do this. The click on the object, then you can click on the create from file. You have to choose the file. Here from my desktop there is a file over there. Suppose I want to insert a spreadsheet file, I click on the insert tab. Then this file name will be copied. I have to click on the link to file, then click on the OK button. Then what will happen, after some time a spreadsheet file is appeared in front of you. See, student 1 Krishna, student 2 Lokansha, student 3 Manas, student 4 Namay, student 5 Pooja. If I want to add some more named, I will double click on this and then I will write the name student, and then I will enter the Rahul, and then what, student student yes, student 6 is Rahul, and student 7 is Weber. Then I will save it. Then see what will happen, the changes will do in the spreadsheet, this changes will be due in this year. So here you can increase or decrease. When if you want to double click, if you want to remove it, just press the backspace. So this is the thing when you insert the object. So when you insert the object, so these all are things that we have discussed today, is will be more helpful when you look when you make your word document more attractive. So basically the symbols or the shapes are is there in the word for making your word file more attractive. So if the question someone asks to write the steps, to insert the steps, so you can easily write the step, whatever you done in the practical, you can easily write it. So thank you, student.